Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to los números del 60 al 69, where we're going to learn the numbers 60 through 69. As in number 30 to 40 and 50, they all have a prefix that goes with the remainder of their numbers. 60 is going to have a prefix, it's going to give us a prefix that's going to be used repeatedly from 61 to 69. And that prefix and pronunciation of this number is sesenta. Sesenta. 60 is sesenta. 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 Knowing that, let's write the prefix first for 61. And that is sesenta y uno. 61. Sesenta y uno. 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 Sesenta is our prefix for number 62. Y dos. 62. 62. 62. 62. That's the pronunciation. A little faster. 62. 62. 62. Go to number 63. Same prefix. And it is 63. 63. 63, 63, 63, 63, 63. Let's go to number 64, ladies and gentlemen. Same prefix for the Spanish pronunciation and writing. And it is written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced 64, 64, 64, 64, 64. This number 65 has the same prefix, and it is written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced 65, 65, 65, 65, 65. A little faster, 65, 65, 65. Number 66 has the same prefix. And it is written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced 66, 66, 66, 66, 66, 66. Let's go to number 67, which also has the same prefix, and it is written like this: 67, 67, 67. 67, 67, 67, 67, 67, 67. Number 68, ladies and gentlemen, it is written like this, and it is pronounced 68, 68, 68, 68, 68, 68. Ladies and gentlemen, the last number here that we have is the number 69, and it too has the prefix sesenta, and it's written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced 69, 69, 69, 69, 69, 69. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to stop here. This is the last number for the number 60 to 69. Don't forget that if you had issues remembering how to pronounce or how to write these numbers in Spanish, please stop the video, rewind, and replay the video until you have it memorized. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.